Hope you guys are doing well. Welcome back. In today's video, I'm going to show you that how you can add the stickers in VN editor. So let's get started. So first of all, what we have to do, simply we have to go to the VN app. So I'm going to click on this app. We have to open this. And after opening the app, as you can see now, these recent projects are provided here. If you want to open any of them, you can also do that. But I'm going to click on this plus icon. So let's click on this plus and we have to click on the new project option. And now we have to choose that which video you want to use. For example, I'm going to the video section and I'm going to use this video here. So let's click on this right here. As you can see, now if you want to add an sticker or any icon, you can also do that. Simply you have to click on this third layer. So let's click on this. You will get two options here, inside a photo or inside a sticker. I'm going to click on this sticker option. And now we have to choose that which type of sticker you want. As you can see, if you want to these view all, you have to click on this. As you can see, now you will be able to see all the stickers here. Now you have to choose that which one you want. And I'm going, these are the shapes basically. And now as you can see, these lines, everything is provided here. If you want to go to the favorite option, you will be able to see the favorites here. And if you want to go to the import section, you will be able to see the imports here. You can also import them as well. So in this way, you can add the stickers in your video on the VN editor app. I hope you guys understand this video, that how you can do that. So see you in the next video.